Today we are making okra seafood. These are all the okra I will be using, and these are the fish we're going to be using for this very soup. It's called grouper. So we have this fish here, and also have crabs, and we have squid, clam meat, and this is, they call it cuttlefish. I don't know, it's like squid. So we're going to be using that, and these are all the ingredients I will be using: the pepper and onions, crayfish, locust beans, and we have a seasoning and salt. So watch out how I am going to make this soup. This is one of the most delicious soup you will ever eat. And if you are new on my channel, you are very welcome, and all my returning subscribers, thank you all. And watch out how we're going to start cooking this very soup. So right away, we just have to start with the fish. Just going to add all the fish. These are all the fish already cleansed. I'm just going to have some pepper mixed to it. This is chili pepper and onions. Just going to add to it a little bit of it. Going to have some seasoning. And we're going to have some salt. Bit of water. I'm just going to mix everything together and let it cook for some few minutes. These are the grouper fish. So right now we just cover it up and let it cook. So the fish is cooked now. So right now we just have to start cooking the okra. So right now we're just going to add oil to the pan. Not too much of oil. So right now we're just going to add this squid. Just gonna cook it for at least a few minutes. With the cuttlefish. So right now I'm gonna add clam into it. I'm just going to add a little bit of seasoning. So right now we're just going to add okra to this very soup. These are all the grated okra. Gonna add a pepper mix. Gonna add locust beans. crayfish, grounded crayfish. Right away, we're just gonna add seasoning and salt, then we add all the fish. Salt. I'm gonna add all the crab to it so that they cook together before. These are the crab. We're just going to add them to it. Now we're just going to let it cook for some few minutes before we add all the fish. So this is the okra seafood. It's almost cooked. So right now we're just gonna add the fish to this very soup. Just gonna add the fish. This is the seafood. This is okra seafood fisherman soup. It. Just gonna let it cook. Right now we just add all these kale leaves to it. So kale leaves. Let the kale leaf break down so we can turn it. So we have to stir this soup. Oh my god, this is so good. It's a very good seafood. See, this is wonderful. These are all the seafood, okra seafood. So now we just have to serve this soup. It's cooked already. It's time to serve it. So this is the okra seafood. It's time to serve this very delicious okra. Can you see? Wow. So all the okra seafood. What you see here is fish. All type of fish is here. So right now I'm just gonna serve it. This is it. So the okra seafood, you're just gonna add this swallow to it. We'll be eating it with this swallow. Yes, this is it. And you are all welcome to my channel, and please subscribe and also like this video. This is one of the seafood okra you will eat and enjoy. Bye for now.